Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with John Kerkes with State Farm. Are all homeowners insurance policies the same from carrier to carrier?
From carrier to carrier, there's oftentimes a lot of similarities. So there's different types of policies. There's kind of real stripped down, kind of basic policies, which I would say are less common. Most policies generally are going to be very similar. However, from carrier to carrier, there may be differences in certain coverage line items. So different endorsements on the policy. Some may provide a certain amount of coverage for things like temporary housing, where some have more of like an uncapped limit on that. Some provide, an additional layer of coverage above and beyond the limit that you have on the policy to a certain percentage, and that can vary from company to company.
Sure.
Policies are also different when it comes to different home types as well. So if you have, a single-family home, a condo, townhome, manufactured home, co-op, those policies can vary as well as far as the way they're covering your home. Further, if it's a rental, that policy can be different as well.
Sure.
If it's a rental, you want to make sure to have the proper coverage on there. You want to have a landlord policy to make sure that you're adequately protected, that if any claim comes in, you're not going to have an issue come claim time. Again, also if you have a 4-unit home and so forth, that can be a different type of policy as well.
Out of curiosity, can you guys do like short-term rentals, like Airbnb and stuff like that? Or is that a separate policy?
That's more of a niche. So that's going to be a separate policy. If it's a short-term rental that's consistently short-term, like it's year-round, you definitely want to consult your insurance agent or insurance broker, because you got to make sure that you have the adequate type of policy that's not going to exclude that type of activity. Because if you have the wrong type of policy, you have a big claim, you don't want to find out after the fact. So that is an area where it's kind of a newer, I'd say, thing that's really been brought into the mainstream lately, and you definitely want to make sure your policy is going to provide coverage with that, and you're not going to have any issues.
Yeah, it's real popular right now for sure.
Definitely.
Cool, thank you. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Call us, we'd love to hear from you.